What's up, CurlGang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 things that I wish I knew before going natural.
I see you, sis, doing your thing. Frontal hella laid, then your edges on swim. And you too fly to be stressing about him.
Alright, so I've had a couple people complaining about the little glare in my glasses. You guys, I am working on getting contacts again so that, you know, you guys won't have to see that when I'm filming a video. And give me a second, y'all. Give me a couple of days and I will have the contacts back so that you guys won't have to see that glare that you guys see when I'm recording with my glasses. Guys, thank you very much for your feedback. I do appreciate that you guys took the time to give me feedback on my video. I'll be more than happy to get these contacts so that we can keep it rolling, you know, keep making good videos, you know, and get rid of these glasses, throw them out, you know. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna throw out my glasses, I need them. Now let's get right into the video. Number 1, I wish I knew that your hair will do whatever it wants to on whatever day it wants to do it. I've had so many times where I would, you know, I would do like a twist out and then the next day I take it out. It's just like, where did the curls go? It's just all frizzy, all types of crazy. I've also had times where I would take my time the day before to do a braid out. The next day, the next morning when I go to take it out, it's not in no type of way, shape, or form what I expected at all. Like, you know, you're expecting your hair to come out a certain way, all cute, and then you end up with a hot mess. Nobody want that. No, nobody want hair looking like that. But that's one thing I wish I knew before going natural. Your hair will do what it wants to. Yep. And I've also had times where I've straightened out my hair and my hair, like that was years ago. My hair, I straightened out my hair. My hair did not want to stay straight. It got poofy from humidity, and your hair, your natural hair will do whatever it wants to. Okay. Number 2, you have to detangle your hair while it's wet. That's the best time to detangle your hair, is while it's wet. Because if you go and try to detangle it while it's dry, your hair is going to break off and it's going to hurt. You know you don't need that paste, sis. Number 3, your hair will grow uneven and it's good to trim it here and there. Going back to where I said I straightened out my hair. A couple years ago, I probably say like two or 3 years ago, I straightened out my hair at my house. And then when I straightened it out, let me tell you something. One side was here, the other side was like here. It's like, no. It grew uneven. Like, it just, yeah, didn't really, yeah, that's not what I thought was gonna happen. You know, I thought I was gonna cut my hair and it was just gonna grow like all nice and even. That's not what I got, sis. Just know that that's not gonna be even when it grows. So that's why you have to stay regularly on your trimming, you know. Number 4, your conditioners will finish before your shampoo. I use so much conditioner for like my deep conditionings, my anything conditioning, because I be trying to keep my hair all nice and soft, all nice and moisturized and stuff. So I use a lot of conditioners. So what you're gonna realize is your conditioner will definitely finish first before anything else. So number 5, frizz is more common. When you have natural hair, it's actually harder to tame the frizz. Y'all see what's going on up here? I tried. I really tried. I expected it to come out nicer than this, my bun. But, you know, frizz is most likely going to be inevitable for anybody with natural hair. And if you can't tame the frizz, then please hook your girl up. Tell me what you do. Show me. I'll watch your video, something. I don't know. But tell me what you use and what you do to tame your frizz, because I be trying. It don't come out right. Number 6, wash day takes longer than normal. Honestly, I be thinking that I'm about to go into the shower, take like a I probably say like a 15-minute shower and wash my hair. It takes me more than 30 minutes to actually do that, honestly, because I also have to deep condition. If you struggle with your wash days, please comment below. It feels like it does take all day though. What number are we on now? Your scrunchies may pop and they also may disappear. I've had so many times where my scrunchies just up and left, like like they got feet. And like I would put my scrunchie around my wrist and do so much stuff, and it's just like, wait, hold on. By the end of the day, the scrunchie had gone missing, you know? Can't put up no flyers to find that scrunchie because it's a skinny scrunchie. Another thing is you will have shrinkage, some more than others. Let me show you guys the perfect example of shrinkage. Look. You see, it looks short, but when you tug on it a little bit, you know, it's long. It's longer than it looks. Having natural hair is going to make you want to switch your hair a lot. The reason I say that is because us as women, we always want to experiment with different hairstyles, and once you go natural, you're gonna want to see all the things that your hair can do. You know what I mean? So you're gonna want to switch it up a lot. Let's just say this week you do a bun or something, I don't know, or this week you do some twists, or this week you do some box braids. You know, you don't want to play with your hair a lot. Okay, that's one thing I notice about people that go natural. Like me, when I was relaxed, I did a lot with my hair. When I became natural, I did a lot more with my hair. Even if it's like lazy hairstyles, I still did something. I didn't mean to leave out the guys on here. I'm sorry about that. Also for guys, I know y'all gonna want to switch your hair up too. You're probably gonna want to do some maybe like some dreads, or you're gonna want to do some braids or whatever. You guys probably switch your hair a little bit less than we do because, you know, we always want to experiment with stuff. You will find yourself trying different products before you find the one that works well with your hair. And warning, you may become a product junkie. So the reason I say that is because that's what I did. When I went natural, I tried, you know, so many things to see what actually worked with my hair. When I was relaxed, I used a certain product, and I even tried to see if I could use that same product that I used before transition to, you know, natural hair. I tried to see if I could use that same product, and I did, and honestly, it works well. The same product I used actually made my hair look more moisturized and more alive. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to probably put a picture up here, and also I'm going to put the product in the description bar right here. Alright, so you guys go ahead and check it out if you guys are interested in knowing which one that I've used. So that's it for today. This is the 10 things that I wish I knew before I went natural. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. This can help someone, okay? I'm always going to say that in every single video, because you sharing what you've learned or whatever, it can help somebody else. You never know. It can help, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, and thank you again for watching.
Doesn't matter what they say, no. You're the one they gotta wait for. From waist down to the waist.